talk about the new ways you can make money right now from Poppo live stream app. Right now, you guys saw that you guys are seeing that I have over 130.96 cents. Okay, now there are a lot of updates here and there, and I'm also going to be sharing with you guys on Poppo because Poppo has changed a lot of things. So that's why a lot of people cannot make money in some certain ways, and those confusion I'll also set it out here. Okay, anyways, hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It vibes, and I'm back again with another man blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other persons to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's go to how we can make money first from Poppo before we dive into the update. Now, one of the ways that you can make money from Poppo live stream app is by joining live stream. That one, there is no cap about it. Okay, if you join live stream, sorry, if you go live stream, all you need to do is to click on live, and everything is going to be loaded for you here so that you can be able to go live. Ensure that you have changed all of these things that you are supposed to change, and you just click on go live, agree their terms and condition, and that is all. You are going live, and once you stay live, people are coming to support you. People will come and gift you. People will also come to your live stream to either play PK with you, so you can also make money. If you want a detailed tutorial about PK, let me know, because I don't want to waste much of your time. I want to hurriedly tell you guys the most important updates. Okay, now the second ways that you can make money from Poppo is by joining a party. Okay, sorry guys, I mistakenly minimized it. Is by joining a party, and by joining a party simply means you can perform your tax here. You can see all of these people in here, they are performing their tax on the party end, and because they're performing their tax, they are going to be what, making money. You can see all of these coins that you're seeing on them. These people are making money. This other person is having over $19, as you guys can see here. This is just today. That's why I said you can earn over 100 and something dollars in a day on Poppo as a new person, as anybody. All you need to do is to locate a party that is favorable, and then you are good to go. Now, the third way you can also make money, you can also do what, you can also be collecting your treasure box. You see this box that is counting like this. All you need to do on this treasure box end is to do what, to wait for it to count down. Once it's done counting down, it will shake off, and then you can collect your coins from there. Now, once you accumulate these coins from there, you can be able to exchange these coins to get more privileges. You can be able to do a lot of things with the coins that you're getting from just your treasure box. That's why I don't joke with my treasure box. A lot of people here don't also joke with their treasure box. So it is very important for you to accept your treasure box. Another way you can make money is when you see fireworks, like they will tell you fireworks will bloom in the room of so and so person. Go to see. You are going to be seeing it on this comment end. All you need to do is to click on go to see. You will click on go to see and go and see it, and then you will stay there. You will have some coins as well, and once you have these coins, you are making money. You can also open party. Don't forget that. Okay, remember I said I will just touch it for you fast so that I don't waste your time. Another ways you can make money from Poppo again is for you to play games. You see all of these games here. A lot of people are cashing out thousands and thousands of USD every day just from playing game on Poppo. And I know that you can also cash out thousands and thousands of USD for playing game. My best game so far on this Poppo games is Golden Flower and what, Lucky Wheels, and also Lucky Number. If you want me to do a video on how you can play each and every one of them, let me know. I will do that for you. Okay. Now, another way you can also make money on Poppo, let's go back so that I will not waste your time, is what? Is by what? By invite. Once you invite anybody on Poppo this 2025, you are going to have what? $14 for each invite that you have invited. And you can see that I've earned over $92 here just from invites. Okay, so all you need to do is to copy your link, share to your families and friends, and they join. You start making money, and you have a rules of how you can get this $14. So you can kindly pause and then read all of these rules on how you can make the $14. But on each person, you can make this $14. And if Popo is giving you too much stress, you want to lay off those stress, it is good for you to join an agency. I always tell you, it is very important. Agency is important because the agency can tell you everything you need to know, can hold you hand by hand, and then move and work with you. And you can see King Richie's agency here, where you can also join and thank me later. Now, one of the major updates on Poppo is, if you're performing your tax right now and then you're sitting on the crown seat, which is you join a party to sit on this particular party to perform your crown seat tax, because you guys know that your crown seat tax will take you 1 hour to perform. If you don't have up to 800 coins, you are not going to receive your crown seat tax. Let's click on this other end. Let's click on reward so that I will show you guys exactly what I want to show you guys. Okay, so if you click on this reward end, you have different tasks that you're performing every day, and which
Yes,
is
now I
involving what,
can talk.
for you to be able to
So
receive
Hello,
your
hello,
crown seat
hello.
tax, which is this crown seat tax that you're seeing, 800 coins. And the only way you can receive it
When
right
my
now
baby dey?
is when you already have someone drop something on your head, like up to 800. That is where you can receive it. And that is one of the major disadvantage that a lot of people right now are leaving people, because they're like, it is not fair now. What if I'm not getting the 800? So does that mean I'm not going to make my money? And of which, honestly, it is not making sense on that end. And that is why I will always introduce to you the only best thing you can do on Popo. And there is no best thing you can do on Popo by less than you selling coins. If you check this other end here, you can see that this place I'm seeing top up. If I want to top up a coin right now, I want to buy coins on Popo, I'm going to be buying, the least I will buy is $10, and the highest I will buy is $200. And that's why I always recommend you to Cocodp for players. So guys, with Cocodp for players, which is this particular interface you're seeing right now, you can be able to buy and sell coins as cheap as possible, so that you can make more money from Popo. A lot of people that have introduced this to, like, they can't even stop from thanking me. And the beautiful part about Cocodp for players is you have a lot of live stream you can sell coins. So if you don't want to rely on just selling coins on Popo, they have Bigo, they have Star Maker, they have Miko, they have Uplife, they have Migo Life as well. They also have this Normans TV. So anyone you are on, like for me now, I'm on Star Maker, I'm on Bigo, I'm on Miko as well. You understand? So you can choose to buy coins and sell at a very cheaper rate for you. CocoDP for players has really helped a lot of people, because ever since I started introducing CocoDP for players, everything I receive is thank you Sonia for this, thank you Sonia for that. Now the question is, how can I buy coins on CocoDP for players? For you to buy coins on CocoDP for players, you click on the particular what you want to buy. So let's focus on Popo live stream app, because I want you guys to be cashing out even at least $1,000, 100, 200, $300 every week, every month. Yes, it is doable. People are doing it, so you can do it as well. Now, if you click on it, you're going to be seeing this place where you can enter your UID, which is the account that you want to buy that coins for. So take for example, I asked you that, please, can you buy coins for me? Or are you a coin seller? And you said yes. You just need to enter my ID here. You understand? That's why I see people selling coins on Popo. The first thing they will ask you, they'll tell you, send me your ID, let me buy the coin and send for you. This is the place they are buying coins and selling to you. So you better shine your eye so that you too, you can start making that money as well. So now, once you put your ID, you're going to be seeing different amount of coins. How much one do you want to buy? For every coins you buy, CocoDP for players will give you Jara. You understand? If you buy 350,000 coins, for example, they will give you extra 80,000 coins. And now there most people, they make their gain. If you buy 21,000 coins, they will give you extra what? 42,000, 210,000 coins. They'll give you extra 42,000 coins. So you are going to choose the one that you prefer and you want to buy, and it is going to come out like this. Like right now, this is Kenya shillings, and if you check on this other end, which is the country head, you're going to be seeing different countries here. So ensure that your own is there. So if your own is not there, like my own, I have Nigeria here, but right now they have not updated it. All you need to do is to do what? Look for a friend that is in any of this country that is here, USA, all this country. Once you see a friend, tell them that you want to buy coins, and you show them this video exactly the way I'm showing you, and you are good to go. You don't even need to be stressing your head. You understand what I'm trying to say? So once you're done, you choose the package that you want. So let's take, for example, we want to buy this one, like I said, and then you're going to click on what to buy, because you see the money in your Kenya shillings depending on the currency. And then you go ahead to click on buy. You can see here, they say select payment method. So depending on what you want to use, is it coin conny or is it mobile money? So you click on mobile money. If it's mobile money that you want, you ensure that your email is already there, and then you read all of these rules and regulations. And once you are done reading them, it is not even difficult at all. You go ahead to click on what buy now. If you go ahead and click on buy now, automatically it will load up and take you to another interface. You can see the interface right now where you can just agree to the terms and condition and confirm, and that is all. You have bought coins from Cocodp for players, and you can now sell these coins. So when you see people that are selling coins telling you, give me your ID, just know that this is where they are buying those coins from, because once they buy, they make millions from just buying and selling coins as cheap as possible. Ensure that you enter the real ID. It is very important, because Cocodp will always say that they are not liable to any loss if you did not enter your correct ID. And trust me, guys, you are not going to regret buying coins from these people. Like, a lot of people have been able to tell me, Sonia, thank you so much, I really appreciate. Another thing you should always not joke with is joining their Facebook page. Cocodp for Player Facebook helps you to gain a lot. One of the things they help you to gain is they have most of the activities that they are doing, like this picture, comment on this picture, share this picture, and at the end of the day, you are going to win a lot of packages. You can see February package is coming. Hello February community, we are always looking for improving experience. Like, they are also going to do something in February that will enable a lot of people to gain. So you're not only going to gain on their normal app by buying coins, you also have different gifts and cash prizes that you can gain here. I recommend Cocodp for Players for you, so that you can start making a lot of money from Poppo live stream app. Anyways, thank you so much for staying stick and with me to the end of this video, and every link that you need regarding this is going to be in the comments or in the description section. If you have not joined Poppo at all, you don't even know anything concerning Poppo, I'll also leave my Poppo link for you so that you can click and register. Let me know that Vibe with Sonia, I've registered, though. Come and help me, come and show me road, so that we can join hands together and show you road, so that you can be able to make money. A lot of people are making money using this Cocodp for Players on their Poppo live stream, and your own should not be different at all. When you see opportunities like this, you grab them. If you want to read about more about Cocodp for Players, go ahead and read. Ask all your celebrities that are selling coins for you how on they sell these coins. This is another. That's why I see that some persons will never leave Poppo live stream app, because they sell coins. Basically, they don't rely on just the live stream or just all the whole means that I've shown you, that this is the ways that you can make over 100, 200, $300 from Poppo live stream app. They use this means to catch everything they want to catch. Join Cocodp for Players today and thank me later. Thank you so much for staying to comment in the end of this video. And if you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I'm going to be seeing, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.